We are going to have some more fun with Kelly today. This is exciting. We're calling this our bunny fit check. We have really a collection, a flock of little critters here in our studio. This flocked bunny first came on the scene last season, and of course they're back this year, so we had to have fun with them. We had to go level 2 with these flocked bunnies. You've seen them in all of your favorite stores. They're all over. Well, we're gonna say, let's dress them up. Let's do a little fit check. So the challenge is on the table for Kelly to pick a friend. Does a color jump out to you?
I'm actually gonna let you pick the color.
Really?
Yes, I'm open.
Well, let's go.
I can make any of these work.
Let's go pink girl.
Okay, let's do it.
I'm feeling pinky for you. You have 20 minutes
I'm
to
ready.
give her a makeover, dress her up, I guess ear to toe, ear to, what's this called? Hoof?
Paw.
Paw, thank you. Thank you so
sure.
much. We're gonna check in with Kelly. You brought some supplies.
I'm ready.
You had 20 bucks.
We're kind of going for like a centerpiece vibe.
Okay.
So we're gonna put her in a wreath and give her a big bow wreath.
I can't wait.
It's gonna be fabulous.
We'll be tracking the Bunny Fit Challenge throughout the hour. Get to work, and we'll see you in just a little bit. It's a just for fun challenge. After we saw these flocked bunnies return for a second season, we still love them, but we thought there's more to do with them. So our creative contributors all week are taking on the Bunny Fit Check Challenge, and Kelly Lonnecker is working her magic. We'll see her finished gal, her finished bunny, in just a little bit. So we started with a plain flocked bunny. Since these little guys were back in full force for their second Easter season, we wanted to dress them up Studio 5 style. So all week we're challenging our creative friends to outfit them in just 20 minutes. The clock has been ticking, and all along Kelly's creativity has been kicking into high gear. Big reveal, she's adorbs.
Here she is. You chose right. The pink was good.
It worked really well. Tell us what you did.
Right? Just honestly, it was all just silk florals, 60% off at Joann's because they're for spring, on sale, everything. So all under 20 bucks. Wrapped it around, hot glue, made a little spray and ribbon, and so easy.
And the necktie, she's no sideshow, she's a centerpiece.
That's right. Centerpiece
she's a
on
star.
a mantle. She is.
It's fun.
Let her shine.
Kind of like dressing up your dolls, right?
Yeah, it was.
But for Easter. All right, Kelly, nice job. Thank you so much.